In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Store account. By the end, you'll be ready to download apps and games, sync your purchases across devices, and keep everything organized under one secure login. First, launch the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. You can open it from the taskbar if you see the shopping bag icon with the Microsoft logo, or press the Start key and type Microsoft Store, then select it from the results. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as the store needs an active connection to load and to create your account. If you're prompted to update the store, let it finish before moving on so everything looks as shown. Once the store opens, look to the top right corner of the window for the profile silhouette icon. Depending on your setup, this might show a generic avatar or your initials if you've ever signed in before. Click that icon to open the account menu. If you notice a different account already signed in and you want to create a new one instead, sign out from this menu so you can start fresh. Now click the Sign In button. A sign-in window will appear. Don't worry about entering anything yet. This is just the gateway to creating your new account. On the sign-in window, look just below the email entry box for the link that says Create One. Click that. This begins the process of creating a Microsoft account, which is used not only for the Microsoft Store, but also for services like OneDrive, Office, and Xbox. Using a single account helps keep your purchases and settings consistent across your devices. Next, choose how you want to sign up. You can enter your existing email address, ideally one you check regularly, or click Get a New Email Address to create a fresh Outlook address right now. If you're using a work or school device, keep in mind that organizational policies might limit signups, so using a personal email is often best for the store. Create a secure password, enter your birth date, and follow the on-screen security verification prompts. For a strong password, consider a long passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Your birth date helps with age-appropriate content and account recovery. For verification, you may be asked to confirm a code sent to your email or complete a quick security check. Just follow the instructions shown. When you're done, you'll be returned to the Microsoft Store, now signed in. You can confirm this by looking at the profile icon, which should display your initial or avatar. From here, you're ready to browse, install apps and games, manage your library, and keep everything synced wherever you use Microsoft services.